It all begins in a hidden world, invisible to the naked eye. Resting on the edge of a single leaf, inside a simple drop of water. Look closer, and you will see a microscopic universe, teeming with billions of tiny organisms. Music swells, transition sound. Then gravity takes over. The droplet falls, merging into a massive, rushing river. No longer alone, it joins millions of tons of water journeying through valleys toward a colossal, modern dam. Industrial beats, heavy rhythm. Collected in the reservoir, human engineering steps in. Through a network of massive underground pipes, the water is driven forward, entering the advanced treatment facility. Clean electronic tones, precise pacing. Here, a transformation begins. Step by step, high-tech filtration purifies the water. Every microbe, every contaminant is wiped away. The water is reborn, pure, safe, and crystal clear. Music slows down, microscopic ambient sounds, whispered narration. As the water enters the bottling line, we zoom in macroscopically once more. Look at the droplet now. No germs, no impurities, just flawless, pristine life, sealed safely into the bottle. Warm, emotional climax. From the facility to our homes, the long journey comes to an end, bringing health to a child's smile with one clean, refreshing sip. From nature to our glass, this is the cycle of life. Fade out.